Hey guys, so today I'm doing my June TBR, and a lot of these books, well actually, okay, only two of them, are books that I've had on my Kindle for a very long time, and I've decided that June is going to be the month where I clear all the books on my Kindle. Like, I've made sure I've read all the books I've put on there, or at least the ones I want to read. So the first book that I've had on the longest is The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins, and this book is a psychological thriller from what I've heard. So basically this story follows a woman who commutes every day to and from work, I'm assuming, morning and evening on a train, and every day she sees this couple who always is out on their deck, and she just always observes them and watches them every time the train passes their residence. And one day she sees something horrifying, or so I'm led to believe, and she gets involved in an investigation. I don't exactly know any of the details, and I've heard pretty mixed reviews about this book, but I am excited to give it a shot. And there's also a movie, so I'm definitely going to be watching that when I finish, but I just thought it'd be fun, a little psychological thriller to spice up my reading life. The next book that I'm going to be reading, which is the one I'm most excited for, I think, no, that's a complete lie, it's not the one I'm most excited for, but I am excited to read it, is 1+1 by Jojo Moyes. I don't really know much about this book, but just because it's written by one of the authors that I really love, I'm so excited to give it a shot. And from what I understand, it follows this woman Jess who has this brainiac math geek child and this other kid who gets bullied, and she cleans a house for a really rich guy, and somehow they go on an adventure, which I'm sure I'm going to read it and then laugh at what I just said because I really have no idea what it's about. I've tried to read reviews and they really have gotten me nowhere because I don't like reading detailed reviews because I don't want to get spoiled, so I really just have like the barest minimum of what a book is actually about. The third book I'm so excited to start, which is the most anticipated read for me of June, is going to be A Court of Mist and Fury by Sarah J Maas, and I am just hoping that it comes into my library in June. I'm assuming so because I'm the only person who has it on hold because I live in a smallish town and I guess nobody likes to read that book, but I am so excited. So once our library gets the edition, I am the first one to be able to get it, to read it. So I'm really excited. It's the Court of Thorns and Roses trilogy, the book 2, and I've only heard good things about it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how Feyre lives out her new fairy powers, and also the bargain she made with Rhysand, I never say his name right, but the bargain she made with Rhysand, I guess, will come into play in this book, where she's, I think it was 1 week was their bargain, she has to spend with him a month. So I'm really curious to see that relationship. I've just heard a lot of people shipping them together, so I have no idea what's happening. I did not see that coming, but I'm really excited to see it and to read it. Oh, I can't wait to get my hands on it. And the other book that I'm looking forward to reading this month is The Crown by Kiera Cass. It's the 5th book in the Selection series, and I'm just excited to see how this ends. I read, what was the first one? The Choice? I can't remember the first one with Edlin, but Edlin is a character I wasn't the most excited for, but I still enjoyed the book. I just love the world of the Selection that Kiera Cass has created, so I'm excited to see who Edlin chooses, if she chooses anyone at all. I really don't remember the specifics about the first one, so I'll have to go on Wikipedia or watch some reviews to refresh my memory, but once that comes in the library, I will be so excited to read it. And once again, that's one I'm just hoping comes in June, but I'm really pretty sure that it will. The final book that I'm going to be starting to read this month is The Meaning of Marriage. Actually, I'm in a Connect group with my church, and we're starting this book this month, in the month of June. It'll probably take us 2 to 3 months to finish. It's like a chapter a week kind of thing, but I am excited to see what this has to say. Timothy Keller is a renowned Christian speaker, and he's done a few, like, multiple sermon series, and I guess this book is based off one of his sermon series, so I'm just curious to see what it talks about and to just have like these open discussions with these groups of friends of mine. It is nonfiction and it is biblically based, so that's something that I'm just really excited to get into. So those are all the books that I have on my TBR as of now. I'm probably going to not read all of them and then read a lot different books as well, but those are just what I hope to be reading in the month of June. What are you going to be reading this month? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching and happy reading.